Dream of yourself dreaming, reading a nice novel with this wonderful view at Villa de los Sueños.
Picture yourself having some nice wine from your cava here in Villa de los Sueños, provided by the wine company. Cheers.
No excuses working out over here in Villa de los Sueños. Picture yourself every day, getting buff, living the dream. Picture yourself getting suntan with this wonderful view, just living the dream, and no bad days. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the epic open house of Villa de los Sueños.